Okay. Okay. Let's take up the next one. P is 1250. R is 20%. T is 3 years. Find CI, find out. P is 2160. R is 16 2 by 3%. T is 3 years. CI and out. Try. Okay, what's the answer for third one? Initial two, you could have done it. What's the answer for third one? Fourth one. What's the answer for first one? Second one, sorry. CI over here is answer, sorry, 910. 9. Amount 3430 and this one.
1270, sir.
1270 3 4. Okay, here fourth one. 10. Okay, so here the fourth one, the ratio is 50 by 3%. Okay, it can be written as 1/6, or this is nothing but the principal and the amount is going to be 6 7. It is for 2 years span. 6 6. This is going to be 36 and 49. 36 and 49. So 36 equivalent to how much we do not know, but 49 is equal to 1470, and this is almost equal to 1:30. Yeah, 1:30. If this is 1:30, I need to multiply this also by 30. This also by 30. This becomes 36 into 30. That is nothing but 1087. Clear? All got this? Any doubts? Okay. A certain sum of money of rupees 225 amounts to rupees 256 in 2 years. Find the rate of compound interest. Find the rate of compound interest. A certain sum of money results to 225 in 256 in how many years? In a span of 2 years. 2 years. Okay. So here, what you do is a simple trick only. This is for a span of 2 years, right? So divide by half. Divide by 1/2. If it is for 3 years, it will be like 1/3. If it is 4 years, it will be 1/4. This becomes 15, 16. 15, 16. Okay. Now, what is this 15 and 16? What is simple interest? 1. Simple interest is 1. If simple interest is 1, or sorry, compound interest is 1. If the interest is 1, what is the rate of interest? Interest by principal into 100. Interest is 1 divided by principal is 15 into 100. It's nothing but 1/15 can be written as 6.66%. 6.231, 6.33%. 1/8 is, sorry, 1/7, yeah, 6.66% or something. 6.66%. See, here it is 225. Here 256. The number of years is for a span of 2 years. So then I'm going to divide this by half or square root basically. If in case I'm giving this as 3 years, then I'll be dividing this by 1/3. If it is 4 years, 1/5 years, 1/4. Now it is only for 2 years. I'm going by 1/2 square root. So this becomes square root of 225 is nothing but 15. Square root of this is nothing but 16. The compound interest part is a single part. If single part is so much, the ratio of that is going to be 6.66% or 2 by 3%. Okay. There's only one question I wanted to do here. Okay. Now take up the next type of problem. The principal is 16,000. Okay. And the rate of interest is 10%. The time given is 1 year, 6 months. 1 year, 6 months. Now calculate the compound interest. Now how will you do it? Now in these kind of scenarios, whenever the year is given additional or something like this, if it is for a single year, you can directly find out. If it is for 2 years, you can directly find. But here it is given as 1 year, 6. So it has to be split and written. So it is going to be 1 year plus 6 months is nothing but 6 divided by 12. 6 divided by 12. That is nothing but 1 year plus half year. 1 year plus half year. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So here the amount given is 16,000. The rate of interest is 10%. What's it for the first initial year? How much? What 10% of 16,000? 1,600. Second year, 1,600 plus 10% of this is going to be 160. 160. But they have told half of it. So multiply this by half. This becomes 800. This becomes 8. Now the answer becomes 2,480 is the compound interest. Yes or no? What's the amount? Amount 162480. 18,480. 18,480. Right? So now what you're doing is you're just finding out how many years is it, and you're finding out the fraction for it. That fraction you're going to multiply with the second year or the third year, whatever. Yeah. Yes. It is for 1 year is complete, right? So the complete one will take. And for second year, I'm going to do the half. The first year interest is completely taken. Only the second year interest. Clear? Any doubts? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Principal equal to 18,000. Rate of interest equal to 16 2 by 3%. And the time is equal to 1 year 73 days. 1 year 73 days. Find the compound interest. Find the amount. Yes. Try. So now if it is given as 73 days, then how do you do it? Divide by 360. This is going to be 1 year plus 73 divided by 360. This is going to be the how much is 73 divided by 365? 7 5s are 35. 3 5s are 15. Is going to be 1/15. 1/5 years. Okay. Now this you found out. Now the principal is 18,000. First year, how much is this one is going to be 50/3. That is nothing but 1/6, right? 50/3. That is nothing but 1/6. So 1/6 of 18,000 is how much? What's the answer? 3,000. Second year, it is going to be 3,000 plus 1/6 of 3,000. That is nothing but what is 1/6 of 3,000? 500. Okay. Now here, are you going to take this entire amount? Are you going to take this entire amount? Yes. You have to divide that by 5 into 1/5 into 1/5. Now this cancels. How many times? 600. 600. This one 100. Now the answer becomes 3,700. Now this is the compound interest. Now if this is the compound interest, what's the actual amount? 21,700. Clear? Any confusions? Online? Any confusions?
Sir, explain once again, sir. Can you?
Okay. Until this step you understood? How you got this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Now, if this is this, what is the principal amount?
18,000, sir.
What 18,000 is the principal amount. And this ratio or this rate of interest is nothing but 16/2/3. That is nothing but 15/3%. Or this can be written as 50/3 into 1/100. Or this is nothing but 52, sir. This becomes 1/6. 1/6. If this is the rate of interest, 1/6 of 18,000 is for the first year. That is nothing but 3,000. Second year also, it should be 3,000 plus the rate of interest for the additional amount. That is nothing but 500. 1/6 of 3,000 is going to be 500. But this you cannot directly take it because this is going to be this part. This needs to be multiplied by 1/5. Cancel this, becomes 600. Cancel this, becomes 100. Add these all three together now becomes 3,700. So 18,000 plus 3,700 gives you 21,700 and the compound interest is 3,000. Fine. Very basic question only. Take this question. P is 6,400. R is 25%. T is 2 years and 9 months. 2 years, 9 months. Calculate CI, calculate A. Now it is for 3 years. Okay. Firstly, for 2 years, 9 months, it is written as 2 years plus 9/12. That is nothing but 3/4. Okay. Next, 6,400. For the first year, the interest is 25%. That is nothing but 1/4 or 1/4 of 6,400 is 1,600. So as I said, this is going to be the same for all 3 years. Okay, all 3 years. Next, 1,600 25% is going to be 400. Now this is going to be same 400 plus 400. Yes, this is also going to be same. Plus only the last term is going to change. So what is 25% of 400? 100, right? Now this last term should be multiplied by the multiplying factor whatever we got for 9 months. This is going to be multiplied by 3/4. This is going to be multiplied by 3/4. 3/4. This is going to be 400. 400. This is going to be 100. 125. Correct. This is going to be 1,200 plus 300 plus 300 plus 75. That is nothing but 600. 1,800. 1,875. 1,875 plus 1,000 plus 1,600. This is going to be 3,000, 4,000, 4,800, 5,400, 5,475. Correct? Yes or no? 5,475. This is going to be your CI, compound interest. If this is the compound interest, what is your amount? Yeah, all got it or any issues? Understood. See here, what's the reason I'm just multiplying here is initial 2 years, the entire interest has been taken. Only for third year, the part of the interest is being paid. Okay, take this. In a certain sum of money, 1,024,000 amounts to 1,458,000 in 3 years. Find the rate of compound interest. Whatever we did here, the same method. Principal amount 1,024,000, 1,458,000. Right? In a span of how many years? 3 years. 3 years. 0 cancels anyways, and this is going to be 1/3. What is cube root of 1,024? Yes, cube root of 1,024. How do you find cube roots? How do you find cube root? I explained right. Cube root of 1,024. Last 3 digits splitted. It is ending with 4. Option is 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. It is going to be 4 only, right? Next, this is the closest is going to be 1 4. 14. And this is going to be how much? 1,458. Cube root is 8. If it is ending, it can be, if it is ending with 8, it can be 2. 14. No, wait. Sorry, wait. Some mistake. If it is ending with 4, options are 1024, ending with 4. Only 4, no. 4 and this is going to be 1, but it cannot come that way, no. And this should be something else. The number have I changed? Wait, let me check if the number is wrong. I might have copied the question. Okay, So let us try to, can this be further simplified?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
5
7 to 8. Okay. For this, you can put the cube. Let us simplify it first and then put us. This can be 8, and this can be 9. This is going to be, the compound interest is going to be 1, and the rate of interest is going to be 1 upon 8 into 100. 1 upon 8 can be written as 12.5 first. Fine. Okay. I forgot to simplify it. So whenever you get some numbers, simplify it and then apply the cube. Clear? If a certain sum of money becomes 8 times in 3 years, find the compound rate. Same only. This is principal, this is amount. It becomes 8 times. In how many years? In 3 years. So now you cannot further simplify it. Apply the cube. Becomes 1:2. This 1:2 is nothing but compound interest is 1. If this is the compound interest, the rate of interest is 1 upon 1 into 100. That is nothing but 100%. Rate of interest is 100%. Fine. The last one. A certain sum of money becomes 3 times itself in 8 years. In how much time will it become 243 times of itself? Now this is opposite of what you were doing. Give a try, then I'll explain. See, if you people want, you can simplify it and do. Else you can do, if having 3 times in 8 years, for 243 times, how many years it will take? So 243 into 8 divided by 3. It's going to be 8s are, then how much? 8s are, 1s are, 81 into 8. This is going to be somewhat value. Some value is going to come. Now, this you need to find out in how much time you need to find out. So this won't give you the exact value. I think. This will be becoming like times it is coming. So it won't give you the exact value. Instead, this would be the best option to do. This is going to be 3 power 1. This 243 to do it in terms of 3. This is going to be 3 power 5. Now the bases are same. If the bases are same, you can do it as 1 year is equal to 8, or like 1 is equal to 8 and 5 is equal to how much? This will give you 40. So it is going to be 40 times of it. 40 times of it. In that way, if you do, it is going to give you some 81 into 8 is going to give you 6,400. That will become like way too. Else we had done earlier problem, I think, based on this. Yeah, we did this. No, similar to this you can. But for this, you would require to find out what 4 years become 2x simple interest. All these will become a bit complicated except 2x. You can do it, but it will get a bit complicated. Okay, this is all about your simple interest and compound interest. Most of the types of problem which you might come across. If you are like thorough with what is compound interest, what is simple interest, any type of problems can be tackled. Just like remember how it is happening.